Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. Welcome back to another episode of Deer Blinds and Fishing Lines. As you saw last time, we ended up finding out we're redoing the entire floor and been fighting with it for a little bit, and at this point I'm honestly just tired of fighting with it, so time to get the floor out. Oh. Alright, let's see what we're working with.
What do you say, boys? Tim's run? Let's go.
It's 3/4. Okay, we're good, we're good.
What a year.
Actually, it might not be.
It sucked. We could use
that might be an inch.
Me up. Let's go.
That is some thick plywood flooring.
Heck yeah, bud. And I think I know just the spot where the coffee's always
Yeah,
fresh and hot. And the donuts?
No, just an inch.
Don't get me started on those donuts. Life's alright in a red and a white up north, if you know what I mean. If I need a brew or just something to do, well, bud, you know where I'll be. Let's go. I'm headed on a Tim's run. Let me know what you want. I can pick it all up. Oh, heck yeah, bud. Grab me an ice cap. Double doubles and some donuts. Tell me if you want some. I'm headed on a Tim's run. Hey, you better grab me a honey cruller, too. I'm headed on a Tim's run. Let me know what you want. I can pick it all up. Ooh, heck yeah, bud. Double doubles and some donuts. Tell me if you want some. I'm headed on a Tim's run. Alright, let me tell you what I'll have. Double chocolate, honey dip, 25 pack of Timbits and a breakfast biscuit. Actually, you know, make it 2 biscuits. Ice cap with chocolate milk, a Boston cream and a bagel belt. And I can't forget 4 double doubles for the folks back home. Life's alright in a red and a white up north, if you know what I mean. Greatest country in the world, boys. If I need a brew or just something to do, well, bud, you know where I'll be. Let's go. I'm headed on a Tim's run. Let me know what you want. I can pick it all up. How about an everything bagel, actually? Double doubles and some donuts. Tell me if you want some. I'm headed on a Tim's run. And, you know, just a couple more things. Hey, I'll have a honey cruller, apple fritter, vanilla dip, with extra sprinkles, a couple of those sour cream glazed, and don't forget, old-fashioned plain, peach drink with a farmer's wrap, and hockey cards, a couple packs, and whatever the guy behind me will have. It's on me.
Let's get the Sawzall, let's cut this shit out of here, and then we can pile it right there.
Okay.
Where's the Sawzall?
In the garage up by the wood stove.
Okay.
And we got to use the cord that fan's on.
Yeah, I know. What are you gonna do, buddy? I know this is new to you, but Dad's gonna help, okay? Come here. Grab the saw from Nick.
It's plugged in.
Yeah, don't touch the button.
Yeah, don't touch this button, okay?
Okay. Carry it.
Put this hand under here like that. Yep, there you go.
Yeah.
Okay. Now come over here.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do, drop down to your knees. And we're gonna cut this, okay?
Okay, you're done cutting.
Yeah, like butter. How was that for you?
Should have got that on camera. Did you? I didn't think it was going.
Yep.
What is this?
Just
I
throw
want
it
you to just put
outside.
it outside. Can you hold these copper pipes?
I don't know if holding was going to help. I'll go get an actual metal blade.
What do you think of all the work we've done? Watch where you're stepping. What do you think of all the work we've done so far?
Good.
Have we done lots?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you going to stay in here and come hunting with Dad?
Yeah.
Hey, don't step over there. The wood's rotten. Come over here. Nope, come here before you fall and hurt yourself. What do you think? Are you going to come hunting with us in here?
Yeah.
Yeah? When you're older?
Yeah.
Guess what?
What?
That's a bunk bed for you. Did you know that? Don't say yeah, because you didn't know it. Here.
Yeah.
gotta be your bed. That actually works pretty good for
It
him.
does.
And this bed's comfortable.
Alright, can you move your
This
table?
is comfortable.
And the chainsaw?
This is so comfortable. I never want to get off this bed.
Yeah?
You just have to be careful you don't fall off of there.
It's so comfortable. I never want to get off the bed.
I like how you punched a hole through the wall.
You saw
You
that.
know, looking out the window.
Yeah, you got your own window. You got another one on the other side too. And then these two. When he's bad, we can fold him into the bed. I give up.
It's surrender.
It's not quite a white flag, but it'll have to do.
Essentially, what we're gonna have to do tomorrow or Friday or whenever we come back, we take out that runner that runs along the rotted one that runs along the outside, cut out that little bit of plywood as far up as we need, which looks solid right there, so maybe only 3 or 4, or maybe like 2 feet up. Put in a 2x4 there instead of the 1x1 that was there, so it acts as a bracing, and then we build brace or cross members to it with the runners that go across, and then yeah, I mean at this point, aside from a little bit of cleanup and some pre-build before we put that runner in, like we're on assembly at this point. I mean, we've done more than enough for today. So, but I think at this point, we're gonna call it a day, do some cleanup, and I'm gonna get him home in time for supper. So, not him, my kid that's outside playing. What do you think?
I think that's her.
Come a long way. I mean, we've definitely come a long way. So much for not reusing all the stuff that we were going to use. So at this point, all we really got to do, cut out that runner, rebuild, reassemble, and we're on building. It's been a long run, and aside from cutting off the back wall, demo is finally officially done. This floor was horrendous. But at the end of the day, I traded a 30-30 and I'm still ahead of the game. So for now, we're done, and I'll see you back next time.